Super Avante! Tamiya plastic models! #1 in quality around the world! Steve here, NRC. I'm with the Super Avante. And I'm gonna give this a proper bashing. See how it works in the sand and stuff. Let's hit it. I think we got a jump here. Yep. Ah! Woohoo! Ooh. Ah! She's working like a beauty. Handling like a charm. What is that? Whoa, that's what that is. Oh boy. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh, dummy, hit it, cookie. See if we can hit that jump. Oh, that's sweet. Jumps like a beauty. Oh, I missed it. Let's see if we can get this from the front. There we go. Oh! I think I broke the jump. That was awesome. That's right, from the opposite side. They look better. There we go, guys. Oh man, that was a beauty. Super Avante, Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Don't be afraid to bash the Avante, 'cause it's a beauty. Woo! Oh! Dang it. See what it looks like. Oops, filled with sand. Shaky. Crusty. Wonder how that motor's feeling. See if I could stick my finger in there. Doesn't feel too hot. I like it the way it's running right now. Alright, I'm going to take it out of the sand here because it's pretty dirty. Maybe I'll try running it, oh, on the grass. Works like a beauty. See if I could clean off some of this gunk here. It's very smooth. It's very smooth drivetrain in this thing. Really nice, smooth buggy. Smooth buggy. Thanks, RCF. It's a beauty. Look at it go. I don't believe how smooth it is. Runs like a charm. It handles everything. You could turn this, look, full speed. It handles really good. Watch this. Nice. And I'm running it in some rough conditions for a buggy. Whew. Holy smoke. I think that's about it for me with this one. Man, oh man. Let's look it over. It's got some dirt and stuff on it. But there she is. Holy crow, guys. This thing handles sweet. It's very smooth. Listen to this. Smooth drivetrain. Let's check the bottom out. I gotta have fun cleaning this one up. But this one runs really good, guys. It's more like a, not really a basher. It's like a semi-racing buggy in between. Not a pure racing buggy. It's like an in-between buggy. You could bash with it and race, so it's actually nice. I don't believe how much fun I had jumping that thing off that dirt jump in the ball field. That was awesome. Oh well, gotta use them. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I want to say thanks again to the RCL for gifting me this. He's awesome. He's such a good guy for doing everything he does. Gifting everyone these RC cars. It's unbelievable. I don't know how he does it, but he does it. He's magical. Ooh, beauty. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the bash of the Super Avante. You can see I broke her in. She's dirtied up and scratched and scuffed. The way they should be. They shouldn't be on the shelf. You should be using them and having fun with them. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Leave me a comment if you can. A like will help out my videos and me and the channel. If you're new to the channel and you're watching this now, please subscribe. It'd be awesome. And hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you next time. Super Avante. Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Look at the handling. It's a beauty, as Shin RC would say. Sophisticated suspension. Mind-blowing performance. Tamiya. The Avante. #1 in quality around the world.